Hello student, today is my first lecture on special paper advanced plant physiology. I am going to start the credit number 4 topic first biomolecules and secondary metabolites. Biomolecules are any of numerous substances that are produced by cell and living organism. Biomolecules they have wide range of size and structure and perform a vast array of functions. Biomolecules are essential to biological process such as cell division, cell growth and development. Biomolecule included the inorganic biomolecule and organic biomolecule. In inorganic biomolecule included the mineral, gases and water. Inorganic biomolecule included the carbohydrates, lipid, proteins, nucleic acid and vitamins. Among these biomolecules, nucleic acid have unique function store genetic information. First, start the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essential nutrients included sugar, starches and fiber. Carbohydrate found in grain, vegetable, fruit, milk and dairy product. Food containing carbohydrates are converted into sugar during the process of digestion by digestive system. Body utilize this sugar as a source of energy for cell, organ and tissue containing 4 calories per gram of sugar. Carbohydrate, it is a hydrate of carbon, molecular formula CnH2O(N). Carbohydrate consisting carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atom. The functions of carbohydrate. First, energy source and structural component. Carbohydrate precursor for many organic compounds. Present as a glycoprotein and glycolipid in cell membrane. Structural component like cellulose. Storage form of energy. Blood glucose regulation, dietary sweetener, dietary recommendation. Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are divided according to number of sugar molecule. They have 2 types, simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate included monosaccharide containing 1 sugar unit, disaccharide 2 sugar unit. Next, complex carbohydrate included oligosaccharide containing 3 to 10 sugar unit, polysaccharide containing more than 10 sugar unit. In polysaccharide included the glycogen, starches and fiber. First, monosaccharide. The molecular formula of monosaccharide C6H12O6. Monosaccharide are the simplest carbohydrate. Basic unit of carbon, they cannot hydrolyze into smaller units. Then again monosaccharide are classified according to 3 ways. First, placement of its carbonyl group. Carbonyl group, that is the functional group present in the sugar. Number of carbon atom. And third, chiral hardness. The first is according to the carbonyl group, monosaccharide divided into aldose and ketose. The first, aldose, molecular formula CHO. Here the functional group present in monosaccharide is aldehyde. Example, glyceraldehyde and glucose. Second, ketose, the molecular formula C double bond O. In this monosaccharide contain the functional group is ketone. Example, dihydroxyacetone and phosphate. Second one, according to the carbon atom number present in monosaccharide, this divided into trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexose, and heptose. Example of these: triose, glyceraldehyde; tetrose, erythrose 4-phosphate; pentose, ribose; hexose, glucose; and heptose, pseudoheptulose. Next is disaccharide. Disaccharide on hydrolysis gives two monosaccharides unit which may be the same or different. These monosaccharide unit may be same or different. Example: sucrose, lactose and maltose. Structurally, disaccharides are glycosides in which alkoxy group attached to the anomeric carbon is derived from a second sugar molecule. Sucrose is obtained from sugarcane and sugar beet. It consists of alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. These two sugar linked by alpha beta 1,2 glycosidic bond. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. It gives negative taste with fling solution. According to the position of the linkage between the sugar unit, disaccharides are classified into non-reducing and reducing sugar. The first one is non-reducing sugar. Example: sucrose. Sucrose consists glucose and fructose unit found in sugarcane, many fruit juice, seeds, leaves, roots and honey. Reducing sugar. Example of reducing sugar is maltose and lactose. Maltose, this is the malt sugar. Here 2 units of glucose joined with the an alpha 1,4 linkage. Lactose is a milk sugar, consists of 2 units of lactose and glucose linked by a beta 1,4 linkage. Next is the oligosaccharide. Oligo means few. It consists or contains 3 to 10 monosaccharide unit. On hydrolysis gives rise to 3 to 10 monosaccharide unit. Example: raffinose. Oligosaccharide divided on number of monosaccharide unit. Trisaccharide. Example: raffinose. Tetrasaccharide. Example: stachyose. Third one is polysaccharide. Polysaccharides, also called glycans, are complex carbohydrates found by polymerization of large number of monomer of monosaccharide. Polysaccharides are not sweet in taste. They have storage and structural components. Long carbohydrate chain of monosaccharide linked by glycosidic bond, alpha bond and beta bond. In starch present the alpha bond and in fiber present the beta bond. Distinguished according to the final product on hydrolysis, the polysaccharides are classified into homosaccharide, heterosaccharide and derived carbohydrate. In homosaccharide, which yield on hydrolysis similar simple sugar unit, that is the same monosaccharide unit. Those which yield pentose sugar unit on hydrolysis are called pentosane, and similarly those yield the hexose unit are called hexones. Example: starch, glycogen and cellulose. Heterosaccharide which yield upon hydrolysis dissimilar sugar unit. Example: here the mixture of hexoses and pentoses and thus called pentohexones. Example: chitin, this present in the fungal cell wall, peptidoglycan and agar. Derived carbohydrate which yield on hydrolysis monosaccharide in addition to the other components such as uronic acid, sulfate ester or amino sugar. Polysaccharide serve for storage of energy, example starch and glycogen, and structural component such as cellulose present in plant and chitin is present in arthropod as well as fungal. Storage polysaccharide, starch, carbohydrate reserve in plant, great source of calories, long chain of glucose unit, sugar molecule. Here amylose straight chain and amylopectin branched chain. This starch found in cereal, dried peas, beans, some vegetable and corn, potatoes. Then glycogen, it is a reserve food in or reserve carbohydrate in animal. This is also called animal starch, highly branched chain of glucose unit, body storage form of carbohydrate. This glycogen found in animal, liver, muscles, brain, also found in fungi and yeast. Then last one is insulin, easily soluble in water and found in garlic, onion and bulb. Thank you.